In this lesson, we'll look at tohu tō, or macrons. Tohu tō literally translates to the sign to drag. A tohu tō is the little line above our vowels a, e, I, o, and u. If you see a tohu tō, it means to drag the vowel sound. For example, the word keke without tohu tō means cake. The word keke with a tohu tō on the second I means to creak. The word keke with a tohu tō on both I's means armpit. So it's important to pronounce the word properly if you see a tohu tō, because it could mean the difference between you enjoying cake and armpits. That's one hell of a birthday. Kia tūpato e hikama. Tēnā karawhiua. Give it a go.